Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Cloud Mastery course. So in this particular session, we are going to learn about the cloud services model, which is very much important. And the name of this model is software as a service. Okay, so we are going to learn about this in this entire session. So now let's start the session. So now we are learning software as a service. So we are understanding about the software as a service, or we can say, as you can see on your slide, software as a service delivers software applications over the internet. Okay, so like for example, your Netflix or any software or any Canva, we can say, the software which are actually available over the internet, and we are just paying some subscription fees in order to use them. So these things or these softwares comes under a category of software as a service. And next we are having like providers manage the infrastructure and platforms that run the application, freeing user from software maintenance and hardware management. Okay, means we are just using the software and we don't have to worry about like whether we are having the proper hardware in order to use that, or what kind of system we are using, or what kind of facilities we are having. Okay, so in order to use these software, you just have the internet or your PC, and these software are available over the internet in order to use them, and you're just paying some fees in order to use them. And there are few software in which you have to pay like one time fees, and in some time, like in some softwares, like you have to pay like monthly, or I can say pay as you go policy accordingly. So this is how we actually use these things. So when we talk about the software as a service examples, so we are having Google Workspace and we are having Microsoft Office 365. Okay, so we actually pay annually, or we generally take the subscription in order to actually use this. So another examples, we are having Salesforce, we are having Zoom meetings, we are having Google Suite, we are having HubSpot, then Netflix, Shopify. Like if I give you the example of Shopify, so in order to run your e-commerce store, you pay actually, I can say monthly, or I can say on annually basis. Okay, just like that, we are having Jira, we are having Netflix. So all of these are the example of software as a service cloud model, or we can say SaaS. So I hope you guys have understood like what exactly software as a service is and how we are using in our day-to-day life. Okay, so let's meet in the next session. Thank you so much.